Hello JV partners, this is Paul Pana. Get ready for the biggest, boldest, and our best product release to date. After 9 back-to-back million-dollar blockbusters, we're back with something that will put your customers in a buying frenzy and make this your biggest promotion of 2021. I am proud and excited to announce Video Creator, the most advanced, comprehensive, and all-inclusive video animation suite jam-packed with groundbreaking features not seen in any other app before. Video Creator has been in the making for over 4 years now and has been one of my dream projects because customers can now create any type of video for any marketing goal in all the dimensions and sizes from one powerful video app. Video Creator is the one-stop solution for all your video marketing needs with next-generation animations, transitions, and 3D elements. Unlike other apps that you may have seen before, Video Creator comes loaded with over 600 plus jaw-dropping video templates in the front-end product alone. This is the largest collection of high-quality, customizable video templates available in any one app. Create amazing scroll stoppers, video mockups, product promos, e-commerce videos, motion tracking videos, explainer videos, animated videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, live action videos, 3D visual effects, hyper-realistic dynamic scenes, e-commerce videos, video ads, social media, and any other type of video that you can imagine from one easy-to-use dashboard. We have absolutely stacked the value with hundreds of customizable templates so anyone, regardless of skill or experience, can create videos in just minutes. Customize the colors, backgrounds, text, images with absolute ease. And plus, millions of royalty-free assets are included for total flexibility. With the Video Creator, we are raising the bar and taking things to the very next level. Nothing like this has ever been seen before. Mark your calendars. This one is going to be huge with massive commissions and over $30,000 in prizes up for grabs. I guarantee Video Creator will be the biggest launch of 2021 and put some huge commissions in your pocket. So to tell you more, I will pass it on to my business partner, Sid Dior.
Hello JV partners and affiliates, get excited. We have invested years and over $250,000 into Video Creator, and we strongly believe that this is our best product to date. Your customers will now be able to replace multiple video apps and create unlimited videos for a low one-time price. There are no monthly fees and no restrictions. We have packed the app with some incredible value and never seen before features to make this a short blockbuster. No other video app in the market comes with all the latest technologies like motion tracking, logo mapping, scroll stoppers, neon videos, 3D visuals, live action videos specific to local businesses featuring real human actors from various professions with photorealistic animations. There are hundreds of unique, never seen before video templates that is going to blow the competition out of the water. Competing apps only allow users to create videos up to 30 seconds long. With Video Creator, your customers can also create long-length explainer and animated videos using professional, ready-to-use video templates. This is guaranteed to be another million-dollar blockbuster due to all the incredible features packed into the app. You simply can't go wrong with our impeccable track record of delivering back-to-back million-dollar launches in the past 4 years. Get ready for a big payday. We are giving away $30,000 in prizes, commission bumps, and surprise contests throughout the launch. We are going all out with a huge JV prizes, massive advertising budget, and a world-class marketing team to ensure you make massive commissions. Don't forget to mail early and get your cookies hard-coded. We are paying 50 cents a lead for every lead you send to our pre-launch. Just send us traffic and we'll convert that into sales. We will sell the entire funnel for you on the pre-launch webinar. Our pre-launch webinars are known to convert and earn thousands in commissions for our valued affiliates. Get ready for your biggest promo this year. Mark down the date and time right now. I'll pass it on to Paul to tell you more.
This is it, guys. You already know that we reciprocate and give back to all our affiliates in a big way. We don't just promote, we dominate all the leaderboards. I've been the #1 vendor and affiliate on JVZoo for the past 4 years, and backed by an amazing top quality product, first to market features, high value sales funnel, mesmerizing sales video, and show-stopping graphics. This is guaranteed to convert like hotcakes. We will also be building some massive launch buzz, doing webinars, and promoting our entire list throughout the launch. And all you have to do is send traffic and get your cookies in place for a flood of sales as soon as we go live. Also, our aggressive retargeting campaigns will ensure you keep getting sales throughout the entire launch, and your customers will be lining up to click on the buy button when we go live. On behalf of our entire team, I'd like to thank you in advance for being part of this special launch. Looking forward to reciprocating and making a huge impact on your future launches. Mark down the date and time below. This is going to be huge, and we will reciprocate on your launches and give back in a big way. So sign up for all the latest updates on this page. We will be getting in touch with more updates very, very soon.